Welcome to Tasker Tutorials, how to manage roles and permission groups. Let's take a closer look to the roles and permission groups. App user role has access only to the mobile application where he or she can execute the tasks. You have to install the application from Google Play at first. Log in with your credentials, and you are good to go. The app is mobile phone and tablet friendly. Just make sure your operation system is Android 4.1 and up. Helper has no access to backend environment or mobile application. He could only be assigned to a task during the process of its creation. Customer has both backend environment and mobile application accesses where he or she could see the statuses of the tasks or create task requests. When creating the customer role, you have to select a customer whose user you are creating. Just remember that customer environment is available on Google Play, App Store, and web browser. Administrator has access to backend environment with all authorizations granted. User has a right to access backend environment with limited permissions that are set by the administrator. For creating backend user role, you should select or create new permission group that defines what actions users could reach. By using permission groups, you can forbid or let the user to review, create, modify, or archive selected data.